In this video, we will create a new ASPX page template that will be used for a two-column contact page with editable regions. By design, every page is based on some page template. The goal of page templates is to provide reusability. For example, using the same header, main menu, content structure, things like that. Essentially, this allows multiple pages to use the same design. The physical page template is a combination of static HTML, code, ASP.NET server controls, or user controls that render dynamic content. Kentico CMS offers both ASPX templates and portal engine development for website building. In this video, we will focus on using an ASPX template. An ASPX template is simply a standard ASP.NET page that displays content from the Kentico CMS system. Regardless of which development model, when a page is called, the request is processed by the Kentico CMS URL rewriting engine. The engine recognizes the template, and the CMS page manager control gets the alias path parameter from the URL and loads the content from the requested page and displays the text using the appropriate CMS editable region control. With ASPX, the template URL is a physical page. However, with the portal engine, the template URL is always CMS portal templates.aspx, which loads the structure of the page template dynamically from the database and combines the template. So for the portal engine, there is no need for any implementation of physical pages. Let's go ahead and start building this. I'm within the web project, and within the web project, I want to go into the CMS templates directory, and within the templates directory in our corporate site ASPX, I want to go ahead and add a new item. I'm going to go ahead and add a new web form. I'm going to change the name to two-column template. I'm going to make sure that I select a master page and hit add. I'm going to select the master page root.master that's located in the CMS templates directory in our corp.aspx site. We'll select this. A couple of things to point out before we paste in our code. I want to point out that we're taking advantage of master pages within .NET 2.0 and that this has caused us to get an ASP content. This is the control that specifies what content is going to be loaded into the master page. Let's go ahead and paste in our code. And the things that we've added are, we've registered our assembly, the CMS controls, which gives us access to the Kentico CMS controls. We've also added in our editable region. This is the control that's going to define the editable region that's going to be displayed in the HTML editor when we're in editing mode. Of course, I'm using a table here. If you want to, you can take advantage of CSS layout by simply replacing the HTML with div elements. Now let's go ahead and modify our code behind. Within our code behind, we want to go ahead and add in the namespace so that the editable region can be recognized. We do this by adding using CMS.UI controls. The last step is to modify the class from which our page is inherited. We do this by changing our public partial class from system.web.ui.page to template page. Now that we've completed the page as a page template, we need to go ahead and register it as a page template within Kentico CMS. We can do this by starting our application and logging into Site Manager. Within Site Manager, we can register a new template by going to Development, Page Templates, selecting the folder that we want, which in this case is corporate site ASPX, selecting new template, and within the new page template dialog, we want to first give it a name, and we're going to call this two-column template. and then we're going to give it a code name of 2-column template. Select OK. And because we're using an ASPX page, we want to specify the actual path to the file name. We do this under template type. We have ASPX page selected. We want to enter the page and then click Save to save our changes. The last thing we want to do is we want to assign the page template to the website. We do this by selecting the Sites tab, selecting Corporate Site, and selecting OK. Now that we're done, let's go ahead and create our page. We can do this by switching to CMS Desk. Within CMS Desk, we can create our new page by selecting the root and then selecting New. From New, we're going to create a new page menu item. And we're going to call this Contact Us. I'm then going to use the page template that we just built. This is located in the corporate site.aspx, and it's the 2-column template. Once I select it, I can hit Save. And as you can see, I've just created our Contact Us page with our 2 editable regions based on an ASPX page. This concludes our demonstration.